Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Are you getting the error message? The PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, or the PC must support TPM 2.0. Don't worry, in this video I will explain what this meaning and how to fix it step by step. First, let's understand, and in this video we'll explain where this error occur and how you can check, enable and fix TPM 2.0 to install Windows 11 successfully. What you will learn in this video: what TPM 2.0 is and why Windows 11 need it, how to check TPM 2.0 on your PC, how to enable 2.0 in BIOS, Intel and AMD, secure boot requirement for Windows 11, fix Windows 11 compatibility error. So now, first let's understand what is the TPM 2.0 is. TPM stands for the Trusted Platform Module. It is security feature built into modern computers that help protect your data, password and system integrity. Windows 11 required to TPM 2.0 for better security and protocol against modern threats. If TPM is disabled or does not support, Windows 11 will not install. Now check if TPM is available on PC. There is the error. You can see in this video I am installing Windows 11 but giving this error in VMware. So let's see. Now just select. I am selecting Windows 11 virtual machine. You want to enable secure bootm and TPM, and after that right click on it. So just a minute. Here is the snapshot. Go to the snapshot manager. If there is a screen and there is here, just need to remove a snapshot. After right click, go to the manager, select manager and click on to delete. There is no any snapshot is there, so we will close it, and next step we will go click on edit virtual machine settings, and edit virtual machine settings option. Now click on option. Now here you will get advanced option. Now under the advanced, select the UEFI. Make sure you have selected the UEFI. After the, you can easily and enable secure boot. go to the access control, click on the encryption, and here you just need to put your password. Click on encrypted. After that, click on the encrypted. Once it will be done, need to some done. You just need to click on hardware over here and click on the add and click on add, and now click on TPM. Click on the finish. Now you can see there is a TPM is present here. Let's see. Click on next, next. Select the Windows 11 Professional. Now you can see and did not get this error. Now after reinstalling the TPM, error has been gone. Now it says fix the issue. You can install your operating system. Thank you. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thank you.